Hello and welcome. Today I went to Dickeys BBQ Pit to try their brand new Cuban, their Texas style Cuban. I got some Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce on the side. Alright. Napkins. And kind of came unwrapped a little bit. Alright. So what this is pulled pork with lemon pepper, has jalapeno cheddar sausage on there, pickles, and onions, and sauce of your choice on the side. Let's see if I can show you this. It's not really too much to look at, but so I was hoping it would be cut in half, but it's not, and luckily brought my knife for just such a case. Alright, there is probably a better view, cross section. You can see, oh yeah, there's mustard on there. Did I mention mustard? Lots of pulled pork, jalapeno sausage slices. Doesn't look too bad. I'm going to take a few bites without the sauce, and I'll try some with the sauce and tell you what I think. And this cost $9.25. First bite is kind of weak. Right now I'm getting crunch, or the snap of the sausage. That's actually pretty good. And the mustard's coming through. The bread is really chewy. I want to try some of this pork. It's supposed to be lemon pepper pork. And the sausage. Right, the sausage by itself has a little zip to it. The pork is actually juicy, but as a whole it tastes a little dry, but it's not dry separately. And this Dr. Pepper sauce is very runny. So drizzle that on there. Put the lid back on top. Take the last couple bites. A little more direct. Oddly enough, there is Dr. Pepper influence with that sauce, and it's very runny. But the sandwich overall, pork, I'm not picking up any kind of lemon pepper like they advertise, but everything else, it's alright. The pork is juicy, the sausage is good, the sauce is alright. They got a bunch of different sauces you can choose from. The bread's chewy, and I think it's overpriced at $9.25, but this is a barbecue joint, and barbecue is usually not cheap, so I'm going to pass on that. But flavor-wise, I like it. I do not love it. I do not adore it. I would eat it again at the right price. If someone gave it to me, I would definitely scarf it down. So, with that being said, it gets a 6.5. I mean, it's something I would eat again, but probably something I won't buy again. But if you like barbecue, you might like this. So as always, thank you for watching. You have a great day.